Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna dive into this modern app-based car insurance platform, which is Marshmallow Insurance. So to get started with the review, Marshmallow is a modern app-based car insurance provider in the UK that's especially popular with expert and drivers who find it hard to get fair quote from traditional insurer. It offers a competitive pricing, flexible policies, and extras like low key cover and a context cares. The mobile app makes everything simple, from signing up and managing your policy to filing claims and chatting with support. For drivers with limited UK history, Marshmallow often provide a better rate and a more inclusive approach than a big name insurer. On the other side, Marshmallow's biggest weakness lies in its claims process and customer support. Since it's a digital first, there's a no phone line, and many customers report frustration with a slow response, cancelled policies, or disputes around claims. Some even highlight unexpected charges or policy cancellation over small discrepancies. While it's great for affordability and convenience reliability, it can also be a hit or a miss. So in conclusion, Marshmallow is a good option if you want a cheaper, easy to manage car insurance, but if peace of mind and strong claim support are your top priority, you may be better off with a traditional insurer instead. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.